Ugh. Smoke break. Okay, we stay here. Stop it here. Restaurant tomorrow. Good night. Smoke break. Oh, looking good. I put it back everything together. Let's see. The first time. If we have a key. An okay in it. Okay, I got the key. So let's see. Oh, do you want him? Oh, the hell? Sounds good. So listening, the exhaust is very fucked up. Really was fucked up. Okay, no more creaking noise. Shiny, liney, miney, miney. See? Nice. Running nice. Let's see. It's coming. Smoke. Smoke break. Oil pressure. Fucking awesome. See, the oil pressure good. Nice. Yup. Just a little bit of warm up. See that everything's working fine. Like new. It's running like new. Man, this is awesome. This is freaking awesome. This is freaking awesome. Let's go dry a little bit. Huh? Right. Dry a little bit. Smoke it. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Reverse. Yick, 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 yick. That's a quiet. We're hiring the exhaust guys, or we just set it without already done the exhaust. A fucking tiny place. This car have a brand new brakes. Right now the brand new timing, head gasket, new spark plugs. Smoking. Smoking. So I just put back everything together. Right now the car is ready on sale. Running nice. No issue with the car. Only you need to fix the exhaust. But the engine running like new. New brakes. Smoking. Smoking. This car is smoking. Awesome. We got, guys. Here. It's everything on sale. There is new timing chain, new brakes, head gasket, spark plugs, oil, coolant. Good, do that. Smoking? Smoking! Motherfucker smoke! Motherfucker smoke!